Estonia is a small Baltic country located in northern Europe, bordering the Baltic Sea and Gulf of Finland. The capital and largest city of Estonia is Tallinn, known for its well-preserved medieval old town. Estonia has a population of approximately 1.3 million people, with Estonian being the official language. Estonia regained independence from the Soviet Union in 1991 and has since become a member of the European Union and NATO. The country is known for its advanced digital society, with e-residency programs and online voting available to its citizens. Estonia is also home to Skype, the popular video calling software that was developed by Estonian programmers. The Estonian flag consists of 3 horizontal stripes, blue, black, and white, symbolizing the country's past, present, and future. The national symbol of Estonia is the cornflower, which represents the country's agricultural heritage. Estonia has a rich cultural heritage, with traditional music, dance, and folklore playing a significant role in the country's identity. The Estonian Song Festival, held every 5 years, is one of the largest choral events in the world, bringing together thousands of singers and spectators. Estonia is known for its beautiful nature, with over 50% of the country covered by forests and numerous lakes, rivers, and wetlands. The Lahima National Park, located on the northern coast of Estonia, is the country's largest national park and a popular destination for hiking and wildlife viewing. Estonia has a temperate climate, with warm summers and cold winters, making it an ideal destination for outdoor activities year-round. The national dish of Estonia is kama, a mixture of finely milled grains, usually barley, rye, oat, and pea flour, that is usually consumed with buttermilk. Estonia is known for its traditional sauna culture, with nearly every household having a sauna for relaxation and wellness purposes. The Tallinn Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe, with cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and charming cafes. Estonia has a strong tradition of folk art, with intricate patterns and designs adorning traditional clothing, textiles, and household items. The Seto people, an ethnic minority in southeastern Estonia, are known for their unique culture, music, and distinctive dialect. Estonia has a high literacy rate, with education being highly valued in the country and a strong emphasis on science and technology. The University of Tartu, founded in 1632, is one of the oldest universities in Northern Europe and a leading research institution in Estonia. Estonia is a pioneer in e-governance, with digital IDs for all citizens, electronic voting, and online tax filing systems. The country has a high standard of living, with universal healthcare, free education, and a robust social welfare system. Estonia is a member of the Schengen area, allowing for visa-free travel within most of Europe for its citizens. The currency of Estonia is the euro, which was adopted in 2011 after the country joined the Eurozone. Estonia has a strong tradition of singing and music, with many choirs and folk ensembles performing traditional songs and dances at festivals and events. The island of Saaremaa, located off the western coast of Estonia, is known for its unique culture, historic windmills, and Kuressaare Castle. Estonia has a unique linguistic heritage, with Estonian belonging to the Finno-Ugric language family, which includes Finnish and Hungarian. The Estonian national epic, Kalevipoeg, is a beloved literary work that tells the story of the mythical hero Kalevipoeg and his adventures. The Estonian flag carrier airline, Estonian Air, ceased operations in 2015, but the country is now served by several international airlines. Estonia is a popular destination for digital nomads and freelancers, with its low cost of living, high internet speed, and vibrant startup scene. The Estonian film industry has gained international recognition, with several Estonian films being selected for prestigious film festivals and awards. The national sport of Estonia is basketball, with the country producing several talented players who have competed at the international level. Estonia has a strong tradition of Nordic skiing, with many Estonian athletes excelling in cross-country skiing and biathlon competitions. The Estonian Open Air Museum, located near Tallinn, showcases traditional Estonian architecture, culture, and crafts from different regions of the country. The Tallinn Black Nights Film Festival, POFF, is one of the largest film festivals in Northern Europe, attracting filmmakers and audiences from around the world. Estonia has a diverse wildlife population, with brown bears, lynx, wolves, and wild boars inhabiting the country's forests and national parks. The country is known for its clean environment, with renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and biomass playing a significant role in Estonia's energy production. Estonia has a strong tradition of jazz music, with several Estonian jazz musicians and bands performing at international jazz festivals and concerts. The Estonian National Opera, located in Tallinn, is one of the oldest opera houses in Northern Europe, known for its world-class productions and talented performers. The Tallinn Music Week, held annually in the spring, is one of the largest music festivals in the Baltic region, featuring a diverse lineup of local and international artists. Estonia has a rich literary tradition, with many Estonian writers and poets gaining recognition for their works in both Estonian and translated languages. The country has a vibrant craft beer scene, with several Estonian breweries producing high-quality beers that reflect the country's unique flavors and ingredients. The Estonian Museum of Natural History, located in Tallinn, showcases the country's diverse flora and fauna, geological history, and environmental conservation efforts. Estonia is a popular destination for birdwatching, with over 300 bird species recorded in the country, including white-tailed eagles, bluethroats, and black storks. The Estonian Theatre and Music Museum, located in Tallinn, preserves the country's theatrical heritage, musical instruments, costumes, and memorabilia. Estonia has a rich maritime history, with seafaring traditions dating back centuries and numerous lighthouses, ports, and maritime museums along its coastline. The Estonian National Museum, located in Tartu, is the largest museum in Estonia, showcasing the country's history, culture, and heritage through interactive exhibits and displays. Estonia is known for its modern architecture, with a mix of historic buildings, Soviet-era structures, and contemporary designs that reflect the country's evolving aesthetic.